JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
Okay, y'all. As you can see, it's another day. And I hope you can see me good because I had this case on my phone for water protectant. I mean, for water getting to it. So, what time is it? I think it's 9:30. 9:30 in the morning. And checkout is at 11. You got it? Oh, waiting for the elevator. So here's Brianna, birthday girl. So we're trying to get our little last swim and
First floor.
before we check out. All that bowling. We'll play one more game of bowling. We got a free coin yesterday.
No, you gotta put it two.
For 2 plates? It looks too crowded. Right. You want to do the lazy river again?
Yeah.
The wolf race. Come on. Walk. We got me up in this wave pool. You want to sit right here? Woo! Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? So I decided to pick up the camera because me and my ride or die is on our way to the mall to try to find her a pair of shoes. So yeah, so we just got here. We just looking for a park. There she go. She on her phone. Brianna, say hi. She thinks she's cute. Well, yeah, anyway, so yeah. So once we find a park and get inside, I will pick the camera up. So yeah, we made it here to Arundel Mills. Okay, y'all, so this mall we at now, it has over 150 stores in here. So I'm not gonna do this whole mall. Just to look for some shoes for this little girl. So I'm gonna just, it have like little cut ways you can go through, so you don't have to go around the whole mall. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just do that instead of doing that. Cause I'm tired. I don't feel like walking through this whole mall. So these are shoes Brianna want. Lift them up. The Vans. It's good to see if they got new size. How much are they? Some Bria like these. I like these for some reason. Or this color. What, they're too small? We need the next size, because they want small. You know, Vans want real small. So you might have to get it. To this store called Primark. Never heard it before, but the stuff they have here is reasonable. Like this shirt, just for example, $7. But they have nice stuff in here. Okay. They got some shirts in here. You see the little t-shirts? How much are the t-shirts? $8. So they're reasonable, but never been here before, never heard of it. So I'm gonna see what I can find. The Beatles. That's not your size. So, here's a shirt for my nephew. I'm making him a shirt. And comes 2 in a pack for $6. Now I'll make sure y'all Brianna's shirt. But look at these pants Brianna found. They are so cute. How much is those pants? $16. And they're good quality, but they kind of thick, Brie. You know it's about to be warm. Well, it's warm now. But this store is pretty good. They got nice stuff in here. Got sunny days ahead. That's a size 9 and 10. Leroy. Did I say Leroy? I guess so. Huh? No, because we're not getting that much. What you need? I'm trying to figure out. She in here shopping, y'all. I'm trying to figure out where's her money. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Where's her money at? So we're Cheese Steak and Company. We about to see what the hype is.